Switching to Toeside is a fundamental move for many basic and advanced tricks. Start by flying the kite up to around 11 or 1 o'clock. This way the kite will pull you up and help with balance while you switch over your feet. Maintaining planing speed through the switch will also help with balance. Next, shift your weight onto your front foot. Let go with your front hand and rotate your upper body forward. At the same time, bring your back foot up to meet your front foot. Finally, shift your weight onto the toes of your new front foot, placing your new back foot on the tail. Let's remember the key elements. Fly the kite high. Shift your weight onto your front foot. Place the new front foot on the center line for balance. Shift your weight onto the toes of the new front foot and bring your new back foot to the tail. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.